Hello children, welcome to maths class. Once again in this video we are going to learn how to solve the linear equations in two variables. We are learning to solve the equations of two variables which are not in the form of linear equation. I mean to say general form of linear equation, that is all you know, ax plus by equal to c is the general form of linear equation in two variable. Here we find, when we look at the question itself, seeing question, it comes to our mind, oh, this equation looks very different, what to do? So nothing to worry, nothing to panic, just start. The equation, given equations are what? Given equations are, first one is 4x plus 6 by y equal to 15. Let's mark it with equation 1. And in last video also saw, when we have a fraction and with plus and minus sign, we will just go for LCM. Nothing more to think. It does not have denominator, we just put here 1. And then what will be LCM of 1 and y? It will be y only. I hope you all remember here what to do. What we do after taking LCM, we divide the LCM by the denominator, by first denominator, by second denominator. If there are some more also, we just repeat the same process. So y divided by 1 we will get surely y into numerator. Numerator is 4x, so we get 4xy plus y divided by y. If anything same quantity we divide, what we get? 1. So y divided by y, 1 into numerator is 6. That is equal to 15. Now, if we look at LHS, 4xy plus 6 by y, that are unlike term, we can't do anything. And here we have two fractions, one in LHS, another one is in RHS. Let's do with cross multiplication, 4xy into 1. One denominator, another numerator and denominator. 6 into 1, 6. This way we have worked. Now from this denominator we will go to another numerator. Y into 15. 15y. Here what we can do? 4xy is here. 15y we bring this side. It will change its sign, become minus 15y, and 6 goes another side. It becomes minus. So equation, two equations are there. From one equation we got, let's mark it with equation 3. And then another one from equation 2. From equation 2 we have 6x, that is in the question itself. 6x minus 8 by y is equal to 14. We will just continue the same process. LCM we will take y divided by 1, y into 6x. 6xy. Y divided by y, 1 into 8 is equal to 14. Here also we have unlike terms. We will not do anything, just do cross multiplication. 6xy into 1, 6xy, minus 8 into 1, minus 8, 14 into y, 14y. Y term we will bring in LHS, 6xy minus 14y, and minus 8 will go in RHS, changes sign and becomes plus 8. So from equation 2 we got another equation 4. From 1 we simplified and got equation 3. We say we simplified or we reduced to the form ax plus by equal to c. And we started from equation 2, reducing it to the form, and then we got another. So now we will not work with 1 and 2. We have already reduced and brought the form in equation 3 and 4. So let us now think how shall we do so that we can. Here we find in equation 3 4xy. Here it is 6xy. So how to make them equal? 4 and 6. Let's work in rough side. 4 and 6. What you do? Get its LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. What we get LCM? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Now you think, what shall we do so that both 4 and 6 will become 12? So surely 4, first in equation 3 we have 4. So 4 into 3 we will get 12. and equation 4 we have 6 into 2, that is also 12. So this rough work will be very useful to you. Need to understand properly. There may be sometime different numbers and all that things. So if we remember the work properly, what we do, we will be able to do any questions. So multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 4, that is 6, we will multiply by 2. Let's write down that multiplying equation 3 by what we will multiply? 4 is there. To make it 12, we are multiplying by 3. So we will get 4 3s are 12xy, 15 3s are 45y is equal to 6 3s are minus 18. We get a new equation, mark it with another new number 5. And then multiplying equation 4, equation 4 we have 6 here, we have to make 12, so 6 2s are 12. Already we have discussed here in rough work. So we get here 6 2s are 12 xy minus 14 2s are 28 y is equal to 8 2s are 16. So equation 6. We will now think, already making equal coefficient, how to make them 0. So both are plus, 12 and 12. If we add them, it will become 24. So what shall we do? We will subtract. So subtracting is our wish. Which equation we will subtract? Subtracting equation, suppose we are subtracting equation 5 from equation 6. So how we write this statement, according to that will be now next step. We are subtracting 5 from 6. That means equation 6 part will be first. 12xy minus 28y. What do you know here? Since we are going to subtract, we will put both the binomial in the bracket. 12xy minus 45y is equal to RHS of equation 6, 16, and RHS of equation 5, minus 18. Remove the bracket now. This bracket reminds us to change the sign after removing the bracket. Minus 12xy it will be, minus plus 45y will be, and then 16 plus 18, minus 12xy cancel, plus 12xy 0 it became. 45 minus 28 will be 17y, and 16 plus 18 will be 34, and therefore y is equal to 34 by 17. 17 ones are 17 twos are. We get the value of y2, and then put this value in any equation. Let's go. We have solved which equation? We have solved 5 or 6. So let's put the value in equation 5 or 6, whichever you feel like. Putting the value of y in equation, let's see which one, 5. So equation 5 will be 12xy. So 12x into y we got 2 minus 45y. So 45 into 2 is equal to minus 18. So 12 2s are 24, and x is also here. 45 2s are 90 is equal to minus 18. So 24x minus 90 will go another side. In RHS already minus 18 is there, 90 will become plus. So here now x, 24 will take another side. 10 minus 8 2, 8 minus 1 7. So 72 and 24 is coming in from LHS. 24 we can cut. 24 1s are 24 3s are, and you can cut it by another number also, since I know 72 can be divided by 24 3 times. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 are the solution of equation. But did you notice, after solving the equation, the question is there, hence find p if y is equal to px minus 2. So now we will use the value of x and y in this given one. Sometimes we think more, what should we do if this kind of things are added in a question. Nothing to worry, Just use the value after getting y and x and y value. X value we have 3 and y is 2, and then value of p will be out. X is 3 minus 2. So what it will be? 2 minus 2 will become plus 2, and here we will get 3p or p into 3. Let's see here. 2 plus 2, 4 is equal to 3p, and 3 is in into, therefore p will be 4 by 3. So this is the value of p. I hope this solution also you have learnt well. Have a proper practice 1 or 2 times, and then see you in the next video with another equations. We will be learning different equations, how to solve. And if you have your own doubts, please comment in give in comment section. I will try to make videos even on your doubt also. See you soon with another lessons.